Hello friends, so today we are going to start our new playlist that is JavaScript option. So in this playlist we will be covering some random topics from JavaScript and will deep dive into that particular topic. So first topic is hosting. So we can we have this normal HTML file and we have linked one JavaScript file so that we can test our all the logic related to the hosting the browser console of the browser. So hosting is the concept in JavaScript by which we can access any variable or any function before its initialization and even before its declaration. So let's say we have a variable like var name and let's say name is equal to Raz and we are accessing this before its declaration name. So here we can see that we can access this variable before its declaration and initialization because this is declared with the help of var keyword. But there can be another case for the var keyword. uh, we have a function that is let's say one function fn and in this function we have a variable this. So when we call this fn, so now we are getting an error, fn is not defined. Sorry, this is fn. Now in this body of the function we are getting undefined. This is, and when we access this globally here outside the body of the function we are getting the actual value, but in this case we are getting the undefined, but we can access this variable before its declaration and initialization as well in the body of function, because var variable support, or when we create any variable with the help of var, that variable support the hosting, and hosting is the concept where in which we can access any variable before its declaration and initialization. But if we define with the help of let, so it will give us error not access name, cannot access name before its initialization. And if you see this very carefully, it is saying the cannot access before its initialization, means the compiler of JavaScript knows that there is a variable is defined that name is name. So this variable is known by compiler, but since this is declared with the help of let variable, that's why it's not accessible. So there are two different things. One is undefined and second is not cannot access. Means if we have not declared this here, so it will say undefined because console name is not defined, that's why it is saying undefined. But if we define this This is saying cannot access name before its initialization. Similarly, in case of const, so let's discuss on let here. So this let variable, some people say that let variable don't support, does not support the hosting, but this is not completely true. Let const where all three variables support hosting, but the difference is basically hosting is the concept in which when we use any variable inside the function body, then our JavaScript compiler write that variable in the compilation phase like this name internally. So this is called hosting, means this variable will be thrown at the top of the block of the scope. So this is called hosting, and that is why it is not saying name is not undefined, name is not defined. This is saying name cannot be accessed, means name is defined but cannot be accessed before its initialization. Means our JavaScript compiler has declared that name variable at the top of the scope internally. That is why it is not giving the undefined error, it is giving the error like identifier has already. So this is the different case. So for now, actually this is a hypothetical case, that's why, because a compiler internally write this code. So for now we can comment this. So this is the behavior of let, and in case of const, sorry, so for now let's comment that out, const. So same issue, cannot access before its initialization, means in this time compiler also declared that name variable at the top of the scope, but the compiler declared that variable, not initialized that variable. That's why it is saying cannot be accessed before its initialization. And in case of where, this is undefined. Why this is undefined? Because in case of where, our compiler declared that variable which is used inside the body at the top, and simultaneously also initialize with the undefined keyword, yes, value. That is why it is saying undefined. So if we talk about hosting, our all three variables support hosting, where, const and let, but the basic difference between where and let and const is our where variable, when we use where variable inside any scope, that where variable declared at the top of the scope in the execution, in the compilation phase, and simultaneously compiler assign undefined value to that variable. But in case of const and let, when our compiler declare that variable at the top of the scope, or we can say when our compiler hosts that variable at the top of the scope, then our compiler does not assign any value. Means in case of let and const, our compiler only declared that variable at the top, but don't assign any value. But and in case of where, our compiler also assign any value, and that value always be undefined, and undefined is a value in the JavaScript. That's why it is not giving any error. But when we use const, this is giving any error. like const variable. So these are the basic difference between const and let variables, and this is all about hosting. So I am concluding now. When we talk about hosting is supported by all three variables, let, const and var. But var variable also initialize with any initialize undefined, that's why it is not giving any error when we use in functional scope. And in case of var and const, our variable only declared at the top of the scope, but is not initialized with any value. That's why it is giving the error that cannot access the variable name before its initialization. So this is all about this hosting. Thank you.